Hey, Denny. Let's check the garden. Basil's doing well. Gonna have to clip off the bolts again. Bees like it, but I don't want my basil to be bitter. And that's what happens when you let them go to flower. Let's check the melons. They like the warm rain. This one's doing well. Make sure the bottom is okay. I don't want to break it off though. Yep. There's a little misshapen one. Doesn't look like anything got to it yet. That's good. Turn it up a little bit. This one's doing well. Thought there was another one in here. There are two more towards the back. These look healthy. Turn them a little bit. This one got a little dirt on it, but it's okay. Got quite a number of them in here. Let's look around the side here. Well, there's another baby and a lizard. You and your buddy. That one's coming along. I don't think there's any more hiding in here. There's another baby. These should be producing for a while. My pepper plant popped some new blossoms. They'll give us some nice peppers in a couple of weeks. And my tomato plants popped some blossoms. They weren't doing too well in all the heat, but it's a little cooler now. That's when the blossoms popped out. You looking for baby dinosaurs back here, Denny? You looking for baby dinosaurs? Okay, go on, Moose. These are doing well. Color looks a lot better now. Oh, this one escaped out of its helper. And you blade of grass, I see you. Weeds just come in on the wind, I think. Fresh growth. Oh, there's something I gotta get rid of. Get that out of there. Don't want that affecting everything else. Some say not to throw anything that's got fungus on it in with your compost, but I say when I treat that with turmeric, it's going to kill that fungus anyway before the next growing season. I don't remember leaving that in here. Let's get that out of there. These are doing well. Need some water though. Get the watering can. These are shedding some weak leaves. Get rid of those. This pepper I transplanted because it wasn't doing well. The leaves are a little curled up. I think that was just from root shock. I still don't know what ate this potato plant, or tomato plant. I don't think it's going to make it, so let's just leave the healthy stuff for everybody else. This one is also diseased on all of his leaves, so that's coming out. This one's got some disease. So is this one. Right there on that nub, that should pop up. That little sucker there. This one's not good either. And this one. And this one. I don't think tomato plants in the north have as much of an issue with the fungus that crawls up the stems. It's just the heat. Get rid of the bad leaves that take the strength away from the plant. Scallions are doing well. And what's left of my leafy greens, I pulled up all the ones that weren't doing so well. We'll see what recovers. Actually, I'm going to take off this. Go act as a sucker for everything else. That should be fine. And my peas didn't make it because they were growing really well, and then it got hot again and killed them. But my planter's box is in worse shape. I have to fix that too. Gonna have to rebuild it. It's just 1x1 pines, or 2x2 pines, so it's not the strongest. Get some water on these peppers. This is rainwater, by the way. Plants like it more. Oh, I missed one. I missed two. Tomato need a little help. There we go. This is how much it's rained. You don't want to eat those, Denny. See how my mini marigold's doing. Pretty well. I'll come back out later and trim those bolts off.